Does your daughter seem distant, overly defensive, or obsessed with social media? If so, she might be struggling with low confidence. And as a mom, that could be heartbreaking to watch. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm breaking down to you 4 major signs your daughter lacks confidence, and more importantly, how you can help her build self-worth. I'm Faith, the founder of Faith Enlightened Self-Love Academy, where I help young girls develop confidence and self-love through evidence-based mindfulness practices. Let's get into it. Sign number 1, she avoids social interaction. One of the biggest red flags is withdrawal. If your daughter is suddenly avoiding social events, spending more time alone in her room, or barely interacting with family, it could be a sign of low confidence. Now, it's totally normal for teens to want more space as they grow, but when they completely withdraw, that's different. She may see social interactions as a risk, whether it's fear of being judged, saying the wrong thing, or feeling like she doesn't belong. This is how you can help. Celebrate her strengths. Help her recognize what makes her unique. Encourage her to try small, low-pressure social interactions to rebuild her confidence, like having casual conversations at family dinners or joining a fun activity where she can connect with others in a comfortable way. When she does interact, make sure you're giving that positive reinforcement. If she's engaging during family conversations, make sure you're acknowledging what she's saying and giving her that positive feedback like, wow, I understand where you're coming from, or I never thought of it that way. Sign number 2, she's defensive and easily upset. Have you noticed that even small comments set her off? Maybe you tried to give her advice and she shuts it down or reacts with frustration. This isn't just teenage mood swings. This is self-doubt in disguise. Why does this happen? When someone lacks confidence, even constructive feedback can feel like criticism. She may already feel insecure, so anything that challenges her feels like proof that she's not good enough. How you can help? Encourage mindfulness practices to help her manage her emotions and self-reflect. Teach her to pause before reacting, take deep breaths, and separate her emotions from her self-worth. Practicing mindfulness together can be a really fun way to strengthen your bond and build healthy habits. Cut on a deep breathing exercise together and talk about how it made you guys feel. I have mother-daughter connection worksheets, which I will link down below, where you guys can work on and practice mindfulness and self-love together in a really fun and engaging way. Sign number 3, she downplays or hides her achievements. Does your daughter brush off compliments? Maybe she excels in something but refuses to acknowledge it, saying, "Oh, it's not a big deal," or "anyone could do that." This often comes from a fear of standing out or not feeling worthy of recognition. Girls who lack confidence believe that their success is just luck or that they don't deserve to feel proud. Build her confidence by reinforcing self-affirmation habits. Acknowledge her efforts, not just results. Instead of saying, "You're so smart," say, "I love how much effort you put into this." That way, she learns to see her hard work as valuable. Sign number 4, she's hyper-focused on social media and appearance. Is she constantly scrolling for hours, checking her reflection every chance she gets, or obsessing over how she looks online? If she's always chasing likes, comparing herself to influencers, or worried about how others perceive her, it's a major sign of insecurity. Why does this happen? She's trying to measure up to unrealistic beauty and lifestyle standards, making her feel like she's never enough. How you can help her? Limit social media use, not by just banning it, but by having open conversations about media influence. Encourage digital detoxes and introduce hobbies that boost real-world confidence, like limiting social media at dinner or going for a walk together with no phones. Remind her that her worth isn't based on filters, likes, or trends. If your daughter is showing any of these signs, don't panic. The key is to create a safe space where she can build confidence step by step. Quick recap on how you can help. Celebrate her strengths. Encourage mindfulness. Limit social media influence. Build her confidence through positive reinforcement. I've put together a free self-love starter kit to help your daughter learn about self-love and mindfulness in a fun and engaging way. Inside, she'll get self-reflection prompts to help her uncover what makes her unique, mindfulness exercises to help her calm her mind and boost awareness, a self-love assessment where she can reflect on her self-care habits, real self-love scenarios for school, social media, and friendships, daily affirmations to shift negative thoughts into confidence, as well as some tips to help her start her self-love journey. If you want personalized guidance to help your daughter build confidence, regulate emotions, and develop lasting self-worth, check out my one-on-one self-love mentorship program. In this program, she'll get a customized self-love action plan tailored to her unique needs, mindfulness-based techniques to help her regulate her emotions and build that confidence, session homework for real-life self-love implementation, a digital self-love journal for progress tracking and reflections, all in live 60-minute video sessions for personal and interactive support. Spots for mentorships are limited, so make sure you check the description for the link. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Which of these signs have you noticed in your daughter or a young girl that you care about? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more self-love and confidence building tips for your teen daughter. See you in the next video.